फ्लाइट कैसे बनाता है?
बाद में यो भी मिजोर मारेगा बनेको होला कैसा बना है
ट्राई पता है
अच्छा वाला मोबाइल पे था
यस
यस
परफेक्ट 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 ओके
Okay,
there is no issue okay
okay, baby.
no problem
Okay, baby.
ओके बेबी
Your baby is looking my YouTube channel.
Thằng nói cả tên này
Good morning, everyone. Respected Dean Academics, Professor Santa Singh, Dr. Animesh Mishra, respected Deputy Director, Lieutenant Colonel Pavandi, all the faculty, both from Medical College and Nursing College, equality and fraternity. The theme for this year is Swarnim Bharat Virasat or Vikasit, that is Golden India Heritage and Development, reminding us of our rich and diverse cultural heritage, which we are proud to upkeep and work hard towards the growth of this nation. As healthcare workers and the service providers, let us all pledge on this day to dedicate ourselves to serve the humanity and commit ourselves to the development of our nation as envisaged by our leaders. The service of India means the service of the millions who suffer. It means the ending of poverty, ignorance, disease, and inequality of opportunity. So let our duties as healthcare workers come before everything. I quote our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, who said, "No people have risen who thought only of right." Students, as well as our postgraduates and MBBS students, have gone all over India and beyond and serving the humanity. That is the most, gives us the most pleasure. So on this day, I thank each one of you, our doctors, nurses, paramedics.
You may all be seated. Now I would like to call upon the MBBS batch of 20.
बनके तमन्ना मेरी जिंदगी शम्मा की सूरत हो खुदाया मेरी लब पे आती रहे तो ऐ वतन मेरे वतन ऐ वतन मेरे वतन
Good morning everyone. We the students of College of Nursing Degrees wishing you a very happy 76th Republic Day. Let us celebrate this Republic Day with pride and gratitude for our nation and its heroes. Today's occasion, we the students of College of Nursing Degrees would like to present a song, O Desh Mere. This song symbolizes the pride, dignity and honor that is embedded in the roots of being an Indian. Thank you.
the BSc Nursing students for that wonderful performance. As we have reached the end of our program today, we would like to thank our director in charge, Senior Professor Dr. Vandana Rafi.
Chẳng thâu rồi nè. Foto ni ni video ni. Dunga.
Okay, jom semua. Okay. Jadi ngapa?
जो तेरे बेसो दर्द से महफूज रहे दरियान सदा चाहे मेरी नस नस में तेरे इश्क में फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्म